Welcome back. It's amazing how much AI is already a part of our lives right now.
Yeah, you don't even think about it sometimes.
You really don't.
But before we go too far down that AI rabbit hole,
Right.
let's circle back to those digital transformation modules we were
Okay.
talking about earlier.
Right, like the whole digital makeover for businesses.
Exactly. Yeah.
And Digital Realm Instructor really lays out this nice roadmap for this transformation.
They do.
They start with this module called Strategic Planning for Digital Transformation.
Okay.
It's like creating a blueprint
Yeah.
before you build a house.
Right.
You want to make sure you have a really solid foundation
Yeah. Absolutely.
for success.
And just like building a house, you need to consider the design, the functionality.
Yeah.
That's where that business models and innovation module comes in.
Right.
It encourages businesses to really think outside the box.
Think differently.
Yeah, like explore new ways to deliver value to customers in this digital age.
Like think about Uber and Airbnb.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Great examples.
They completely disrupted their industries.
They did. They really did.
They didn't just like adapt to the digital world.
Right.
They used technology
Yeah.
to create entirely new business models.
And change the game.
Yeah, it changed everything.
Yeah. And that's the kind of forward thinking that I appreciate about Digital Realm Instructor.
Yeah,
It's not about keeping up. It's about innovating.
right. Being a leader.
Yeah, leading the charge
Yeah.
in this digital revolution.
But all this innovation, I mean, it can be really daunting,
Oh, for sure.
especially for companies that are used to doing things like the traditional way.
The old way.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
where do they even start?
Right, and that's where that core technologies and digital transformation module is really helpful.
Okay.
It dives into the specific technologies that are like driving this shift.
Like what kind of technologies are we talking about
Because
here?
we're talking cloud computing, big data analytics,
Aye.
and of course, AI.
Of course.
It's all about understanding the tools that can really empower businesses to transform.
So you're equipping these businesses.
Yeah, it's like a digital toolkit.
Yeah, with a digital toolkit for success.
Exactly.
But with all this new technology, I mean, there are also new challenges, right?
Oh, absolutely. You can't just plug in a bunch of new systems
Right.
and expect everything to work perfectly.
Exactly.
And that's why I really appreciate that there's a whole module on cybersecurity and risk management.
Right, because that's crucial.
It's crucial.
It's often overlooked, I think.
It is. It is.
So it's kind of like diving a house.
Yeah.
You wouldn't create this state-of-the-art home
Right.
and then not make sure that it's,
Protected.
yeah, secure and protected from,
Elements.
the element.
Exactly.
So this module helps businesses like actually develop strategies
Uh-huh.
to protect their data, their systems, their reputation.
Yeah, in this increasingly interconnected world.
It's all about mitigating the risks.
Yeah, and ensuring like a smooth
Yeah.
and secure digital transformation journey.
But digital transformation, I mean, it's different for every business,
Oh,
right?
absolutely.
You can't just use a cookie cutter approach.
No, one size does not fit all.
You can't apply the same approach to a small startup as you would to like a multinational corporation.
Exactly.
And I think Digital Realm Instructor understands that
They do?
because they have a whole module on
Yeah.
industry-specific digital transformation.
Right, so they explore how this process varies across different sectors,
Yeah,
like retail, finance, healthcare, manufacturing, education.
It's like trying to apply the same digital strategy
Yeah,
to a fast food chain
right.
and a hospital.
It just wouldn't work.
It wouldn't work. It's like trying to,
Square peg, round hole.
yeah, exactly.
Each industry has its own unique
Challenges.
It's opportunity.
And opportunities.
So it's
good.
great that they have like this customized guide.
Yeah, like tailored insights
Yeah.
for people navigating this shift in their specific sectors.
It's like those choose your own adventure books
Oh, yeah.
we used to read as kids.
I love those.
That for businesses.
For businesses in the digital age.
Yeah.
It's a great way to put it. And to wrap the digital transformation modules,
Yeah.
there's one called Measuring Success in Digital Transformation.
Right, because you need to know if you're on the right track.
Yeah. Are you actually achieving the results that
Exactly.
you set out to achieve?
It's like setting goals
Nice.
and milestones for your digital journey.
You got to know if you're making progress.
Yeah, if you're moving in the right direction.
So this module emphasizes like the importance of KPIs.
Key performance indicators, yeah.
Yeah, and using those,
Tools.
yeah, using the right tools to measure how effective your digital transformation efforts are.
It's about turning data into actionable insights
Right.
to drive continuous improvement.
So it's like having a digital dashboard
It is.
that's showing you, okay,
Yeah.
this is how well our transformation is going. We can see what's working,
What needs adjustment?
what needs to change.
Make sure you're on course
Yeah.
to achieve those digital goals.
And speaking of seeing things in action, Mihigo wraps up this section
Yeah.
with a module on case studies, practical applications.
This is where the rubber meets the road.
Yeah, it's like getting a sneak peek
Behind the scenes
into like the world of successful digital transformation.
Right. You get to see how these concepts are actually being applied in the real world.
Learn from the best.
Yeah, it's really inspiring.
So if I'm understanding this correctly, Digital Realm Instructor, is this really comprehensive,
Yeah.
engaging exploration of
Digital transformation.
and AI?
And AI, it really is a one-stop shop.
Yeah, one stop.
For anybody who wants to understand this digital landscape, no matter what industry you're in or your level of expertise.
And it's amazing how Mihigo balances like this in-depth knowledge
Yeah.
with accessibility.
Yeah, they make even the most complex topics understandable
Right.
and engaging.
And that brings us back to you, our listener.
Right.
We've covered a lot of ground today.
We have
The fundamentals of AI, the intricacies of digital transformation.
across various industries,
Yeah, across all these industries.
It's a lot to process.
But what does it all mean for you?
Right, that's the question.
We've seen how technology is reshaping the world.
Yeah, at an unprecedented pace.
It really is.
Businesses are transforming, industries are being disrupted.
AI is everywhere.
AI is becoming more and more integrated into our lives.
So the question is, how do you navigate all of this?
That's the big question, yeah.
What skills and knowledge do you need
To thrive.
to thrive in this digital age?
That's a good question.
It really is.
And that's something we want you to think about
Yeah.
as we move into the final part of our deep dive.
Think about the specific insights and tools from Digital Realm Instructor that really resonated with you.
What knowledge or skills do you find most valuable for navigating this digital revolution?
That's a great question to ponder.
It is.
We'll be back shortly to share our final thoughts.
And key takeaways.
So don't go anywhere.